ELITEWHEELS' carbon bike wheels are designed and manufactured in their own factory in Xiamen. Their dedicated engineering team focuses on innovation, experimentation, and pushing the industry forward with groundbreaking designs and production methods. Before each wheel model is released, it must first pass the UCI vertical impact test, as well as more than a dozen others, including additional impact, stiffness, trueness, longevity, torque fatigue, and tire pressure tests, going far beyond the industry standard. The carbon fiber prepreg produced by ELITEWHEELS uses their in-house developed resin. UNI carbon fiber is unique to ELITEWHEELS' drive series. Its tensile strength and modulus fall between T800 and T1000 carbon fiber, allowing for the lightest and stiffest carbon wheels in the industry. Carbon prepreg kits associated with specific wheel models are prepared, and the carbon layup process begins. Each rim consists of approximately 130 individual pieces of carbon fiber. At ELITEWHEELS, quality control is of the utmost importance. During each step of the production process, each rim is cataloged. Rim weight, personnel involved, and other important information are all recorded. During the molding process, heat and pressure are closely controlled and monitored in the composite curing ovens. Rims are then given a full inspection before sanding, applying decals, as well as clear coat, a process that includes 28 steps and takes 7 days from start to finish. When rims are finished, experienced wheel builders builds and true each wheel by hand, stress relieving each one 16 times and retruing twice, ensuring they never go out of true. Wheels come standard with ELITEWHEELS' own designed and manufactured hubs. Drive series wheel sets feature threaded carbon spokes, making for lighter, stiffer, and more aerodynamic wheels. Each wheel then undergoes a final, thorough inspection before shipping. Our growing worldwide service center network, comprehensive warranty, and an easy-to-reach customer service staff are just some of the perks of choosing ELITEWHEELS.